Well, hello everyone. Welcome back to Lightroom by Samuel. In this video we are going to make an urban black preset with Adobe Lightroom Mobile. But before we start, for you who are joining this channel for the first time, press the subscribe button first. Let's get started.
The world has got in store. I wanna take it all in.
First, go to Lights. Adjust the exposure to plus 0.71.
They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
Contrast to -2. Highlights to +4. Shadows to -59. Whites to -100. And blacks to -93.
Tomorrow feels a year away, like the seconds, the beginning and the end. But if
you're done, go to Curve.
your picture's gonna bring it home to me again.
Choose the white curve only. Follow the instruction carefully.
The world is waiting, half a step beyond our
Click Done.
and if it's not
Next, go to Color.
I wanna see the stuff the world
Adjust the
has
temperature to
got in
+10.
store.
Tint to +20.
Take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos.
Vibrance -14.
Twice as bright, they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't
And the saturation to -24. If you're done, go to Color Mix. Red. Hue to -4. Saturation to -12. And the luminance to -44. Orange. Adjust only the saturation to +61.
the Stockholm lights.
Yellow. Saturation to -100.
Pair of jeans, a shirt or two. We didn't pack as if we weren't going back.
Green.
It doesn't matter if it's
Saturation to -100.
love will give us what we like. The
Aqua.
world is waiting up.
Saturation to -100.
Half a step beyond our door.
Blue. Saturation to -100.
I wanna see the stuff
Purple.
the world has got in
Saturation to -100.
store. I wanna take it
Magenta. Saturation to -100.
wanna catch in my photos where you
If you finished, click Done.
they'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold
Next, go to Effect.
Stockholm lights.
Adjust the texture to +36. Clarity to +18. Dehaze to -8.
Tomorrow feels a year away.
Vignette to -20.
Seconds, the beginning and the end. But if in time it's yesterday,
Midpoint to +82.
gonna bring it home to me again. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting, half a step beyond.
Feather to +100.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see
Last,
the stuff the
go to
world has
Detail.
got in store.
Adjust the sharpening to +10.
The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos where you go. Every corner twice as
Noise reduction to +6.
forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
And the color noise reduction to +10. And we are done. This is before and after. Now, we're gonna use this preset to the other photos we have.
I'll see the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights. A pair of jeans, a shirt or two.
You can justify a little bit if needed.
It doesn't matter if it's true. I've got a feeling love will give us what we like. The world is waiting up. The world is waiting half a step beyond our door. Yeah. And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all in, I'm falling. The cityscape by night, wanna catch in my photos. Where you go, every corner.
Thank you for watching the video. Don't forget to like, comment, share and subscribe. Bye.
If I could lay down beside you, I would.